Hey crypto friends, for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today I've got a short video for you guys I will be showing you some of the best exchanges for altcoin nerds like myself who love to buy and hold and trade all different types of altcoins, alright? Now, for those of you who are new to the channel, if you're interested in trading and would like to try the same exchange that I use, feel free to go ahead and check out the MEXC crypto exchange with the link in the video description down below. I personally love this exchange because one, they allow me to trade crypto futures. Two, they've got literally over 1,500 different altcoins for altcoin nerds like myself to be able to trade. And in addition to that, they do not deal with the same type of drama that, Coinbase and Binance deal with on a regular basis. So, alright guys, it is safe to say, alright, it is literally safe to say that there's really only a handful of centralized exchanges that are somewhat trustworthy, alright? And this video is not about any of the SEC drama in relation to various centralized exchanges or anything like that, alright? Instead, this video is all about what I personally believe are the best exchanges for altcoin nerds to buy small cap altcoins and trade all kinds of different altcoins as well. And as you can clearly see, I've got my comparison chart handy for this video as well. All right, many of you guys have seen this chart in the past of mine, but for those of you who haven't, this is just a list of all the main features of pretty much all the mainstream crypto exchanges, okay? Now by mainstream, I'm talking about volume-wise and stuff like that, okay? So with all of that said, when it comes to buying altcoins, all right, when it comes to buying altcoins, whether you're trading them or holding on to them for the long term, it is definitely safe to say that you're going to want an exchange that has the most amount of altcoins, all right, that doesn't have a whole bunch of outside drama behind them either, all right. So as you guys can clearly see, the exchanges that, the exchanges with the highest amount of altcoins available are going to be MEXC. We can clearly see it's got 1,510 different altcoins that they support. KuCoin is another one as well with over 800, over 800 altcoins. And then there's also Gate.io with 1,625 altcoins. And there is also Huobi Global as well with about 595 coins as well. I wanted to add Huobi in the mix as well also because, they've got well over 500 altcoins. So now realistically, for those of you who are watching that are based in the United States like me, you're obviously only going to have access to either MEXC or KuCoin, all right? Because, the people from the United States aren't able to use Gate.io or Huobi Global, okay? So your best options are going to be either MEXC or KuCoin here, okay? So that's something to keep in mind, all right? In addition to that, if you're thinking about both trading and buying and trading and buying and holding, you're obviously going to want an exchange that has low trade fees as well, depending on how much you're planning on trading, okay? And as you guys can clearly see, the two exchanges that aren't available to US investors, Huobi Global and Gate.io, they both have a higher spot trading fee than, starting at roughly, let's see here, they both have a spot trading fee starting at, 0.2% for accounts that are, less than $10,000, okay? And that's just something you want to keep in mind also. But when you clearly see MEXC and KuCoin, they both have spot trading fees of just 0.1%. So it's, obviously, half cheaper than both Huobi and Gate.io. So that's something to keep in mind also. Now here's the thing, all right? Gate.io does have more coins to trade than KuCoin does, obviously, as you guys can clearly see, 1,625 coins versus 805 coins, all right? But in my personal opinion, KuCoin is much more trustworthy than Gate.io. So realistically here, guys, in my personal opinion, since both MEXC and KuCoin are available to literally everyone on the planet, for now anyway, these are the two that I would personally choose if if you were looking for, an exchange to trade a whole bunch of different altcoins, all right? Now, if any of you guys have any questions about any of these exchanges that I mentioned in this video, feel free to reach out to me on Twitter and ask me anything you'd like, all right? I love helping people, which is the whole reason I started this channel, so do not hesitate to reach out to me if you've got questions whatsoever, you guys. But other than that, that's going to pretty much do it for this video, guys. So I will go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, before you guys leave, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And with that said, guys, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the comment section down below of my future videos.